This is a severe thunderstorm warning for. This is a severe thunderstorm warning with Burlington County, Camden County, and Gloucester County with the affected until 4:30 p.m. Mm, mm, mm. Mm, 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 The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for extra Bowdoin County in southern New Jersey, Camden County in southern New Jersey, extra Gloucester County in southern New Jersey until 3:54 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Park in Gloucester Street, moving at least 10 miles per hour, and this storm was history by quarter size here. So getting moving at 10 miles per hour. This storm history produced a quarter size hail near Survey. Hazard. It's a gust. Source. Chinese independent. Impact. Some people, animals, and outdoors will be injured, sex hall, damaged roofs, windows, and vehicles. Wind damaged roofs, siding, and trees. Lines to pack. Lines is possible. Locations to pack that include Philadelphia, Camden, Gloucester City, Cherry Hill, Deptford, Voorhees, West Deptford, Lemoore, Derby, Woodbury, T-Wood, Ostop, Portland, Westville, Woodbury Heights National Park, and East Lobby. This concludes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike near exit 96 Pennsylvania, even miles in Mugu SS31. It's every miles in the Pennsylvania, a mile of Mugu and the 51. In the service of in the New Jersey, 3 miles Muggers and 3. In the state in the New Jersey, have miles Muggers and Trifle. It's between those and Myers Muggers and 1. It was about in Myers Muggers between the Atlantic City and it was Hall Street and the sale in Street build 6 miles per hour. For the protection move to the interior room for the lowest floor of the sturdy building. For a cloud, the ground is likely and the storm indoors immediately more and some killers and remember your thunder close to be struck by lightning and is a rainfall according to the storm, and it may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeated, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued at 3 p.m. in the following counties in New Jersey: Burlington, Camden, and Gloucester County. Mm, mm, mm. Mm, 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 The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a flash flood warning for West Central Burlington County is Southern New Jersey. Hester Camden County is Southern New Jersey. Gloucester County is Southern New Jersey until 3:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time and 10:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Doppler radar indicated when you exit thunderstorms and heavy across the warm area between 1 and inches is heavy expelled. Rainfall is 2 inches in 1 hour and for waterfall some inches in this possible warm area. A flash flood is ongoing or beginning shortly at hazard. Soonest flood caused by thunderstorms. Source radar impact and flash and fleakage in the streams. Weather in areas in Serbia underpasses. Some locations in my explain flash flooding include Philadelphia, Camden, Gloucester City, Cherry Hill, Deptford, Livermore, Woodbury, Portsmouth, Hershey, Westfield, and Woodbury Heights. This concludes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike near exit 3 in the Pennsylvania between Maya Marcos and Germany 29. In the Pennsylvania between Maya Marcos and 31. In New Jersey between Maya Marcos and 3. In the packet 95 in New Jersey and Maya Marcos and 6. Interstate in the Pennsylvania Maya Marcos and 1. And the statement between Marcos and 1004. Flash flooding radar gusts indicated in my flash which cluster can flash by rainfall weighted to turn in 1 hour. Turn around. Don't drown when including flood roads. Most flood deaths occur in the villages. Mm.